Hey there everyone, welcome back to the XSP Green Monster channel. My name is Riley, and today I've got something super excited. I have FCK Light Bar boxes, so I'm super excited to unbox these. This is going to be another unboxing of the, not the RGB, I almost said that. My plans ended up changing a little bit. FCK was gracious enough to let me know of their new product going out, and I went with those ones. So today is their dual purpose chase light bars, and I got a little excited and I opened the 30-inch because I just couldn't help myself. But I think you guys are going to be really excited to see these, and I'll do the unboxing. I have to say, from what I've seen already, I didn't fully unbox it, but it is, and I just did the 30, not the 50, but they are exceptional products. So I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to stop talking and you guys will get to see it. Okay, so here we go. This is the box that the 30 came in, and like I said, I reopened this one. I just couldn't help myself. I got way too excited about these. So you open up, this is what you're gonna see inside of a curved 30. Got this little package here, which contains all of your mounting hardware and your mounting brackets, and these do come with safety screws. So these are actually a hexagonal safety screw on here, which means it requires a special key to be able to use them, and it gave you that special key as well. So super excited about that. Super nice brackets that they come with here. It's going to be fantastic to get these on the car. So that's what you get in this little box. And everything is very nicely packaged. It doesn't have the foam around it, which when I first opened up I was a little worried that I didn't see foam around the light bar. But once I dug a little bit deeper, I actually realized that they package it very well for not having foam. Now the next thing out, which I didn't know that this came with, but I'm super excited about this, is this wiring harness. Now this wiring harness, as you can see, actually comes with this little key fob, which is super exciting. So there's a little 1 and a 2, a little like flashing symbol and box with a line through it. I'm assuming that this just controls different modes, so you don't have to click on and off the button, which I am super excited that this came with it, and comes with this nice little ballast as well. I mean, a really great product, very nice connectors on it as well, and I am just, I mean, I'm like super excited to start using this stuff and to get this stuff all installed, because this is going to look amazing and this is going to operate amazing, and just so much stuff that I'm excited about with this. So yeah, it does, the connectors are a little bit different, so I hope I can still wire them into my current setup fairly easily. I might have to, this might take a little bit longer for me to install than I would have liked, but I'll get it figured out. And this key fob is awesome. I'm hoping this will also work with the pods that I have. That are also the dual purpose chase pods, so I can control everything with a unit or with 2 units, but we will see. So there is that. Super exciting stuff. And if you can't tell, I'm just like, I am very happy about this. Came with these cool little holders, which I might actually repurpose, because these are kind of nice, and they're actually heavy duty plastic. That's probably just to hold stuff in the box and to hold the light bar, but still. And then we get to what everyone wants to see, which is this, the dual purpose chase bar. And I haven't taken this out yet, but I mean, it is just a gorgeous light bar. Very heavy. I mean, definitely extremely well made, much heavier than any light bar I've worked with in the past. And then it's got all of these protections on the back. So I'll take these out. These are really nice heavy-duty rubber protectors for the back of this light bar, which is amazing. I mean, it's definitely going to stop it from getting hurt at all. Some protectors on the front as well, still made of that heavy-duty plastic. And here it is. And man, I mean, look at the amount of LEDs in that light bar. I mean, this is just incredible. Obviously, it has the floods on both sides. They've got these nice caps which come on and off. So on the end there, you can see that, and then there's this red cap, which I'm assuming protects it while it is with everything else on it. Maybe it just protects it, but yeah, super cool design here. And I'll have to figure out how to get that cap back on there, but definitely a well thought out product. I'm assuming it protects the housing when it's getting mounted. You can see, there goes the other one. So you can see here is where we have the cable coming out, 3-pin cable for these, which I do like. So probably can't be used with the bars then, but still. And then back here there is a pressure release nozzle. I'm not going to know if this focuses or not, but there's a pressure release nozzle back there, so if this ever gets pressurized for any reason due to a change in weather, it will not fog up. Great FCK Light Bar engraved in the sides on this 30. I mean, just an absolutely gorgeous light bar. Truly, truly gorgeous light bar. I mean, like I said, very heavy duty, great quality, just fantastic. So now I'm going to get to the 50, and I mean, I'm just way too excited about these because these are incredible. Let's get this out of the way and get on to 50, which I'm twisting all around here. But let's get this 50 open, which could be harder than I thought. I don't even know how to get into this thing, actually. It's the hardest part of all this, is figuring out how to get into boxes. Oh, I think that's the way. Open up the end. The same view for you guys. Oh, still need that. And here we go with the 50. Oh boy. Whoa, that's cool. Another little spacer. I'm assuming these are all just to kind of stop anything from being damaged. A little tear in the plastic there, but it is definitely still 100%. There's the other end cap. All right. So, similar thing to the rest of it. If I just take this beauty out of its plastic. These things are just monsters. Hats off to FCK on this product. I mean, this is like so far over what I was expecting with these light bars. Now, obviously I heard a lot from them about them, but this is just like way beyond what I ever could have imagined for these. This is an exceptional piece of engineering that they've got going on here. This other end cap back on. Alright, so wire at that side, as you can see. And I mean, these are just gorgeous light bars. Obviously this is a curved 50-inch light bar, and it is just incredible as well. Same thing, got the floods on the sides with the dual color LEDs. Very nicely machined, a good curve on it as well. Power grounded signal wires on them. I mean, yeah, so you get one controller with them, with both of them. Actually, I might have two controllers, I'll have to check on that. So let's open up what else came with the 50. So we've got this little box also came with the 50, which I'm going to assume is going to be mounting hardware. So we'll get this opened. There we go. More mounting hardware, except for the 50 this time. And then, just the same as the other one, it's got screws. It's actually got, yep, everything you need. It's got the safety hardware in there so it can't be stolen. Then we're gonna see what's in here. So I'm assuming it's another module, and it is another module. So I will have to see here with these modules on if this fob will also work with this module over here in these ballasts. Because if they can all be run off of one fob, then that's going to be really great. If not, it's not too big of a deal. I can just keep them both in the car on my keychain. But I mean, still, nice big ring terminals on here as well. Good sized gauge wire for everything. And this one came with the wiring diagram for all of it. Nice little wiring diagram here, very clearly explains the wiring instructions. Man, it is just really well done by them. I mean, like, really well done. And I'll show you guys here because they do their mounting quite a bit differently than a lot of companies. So I'll pull out a bracket here. And very, very heavy duty brackets. They even coated it in some clear coat finish, it looks like. I don't even know if that is coated, but very nice heavy duty brackets. So with these, there's a few things that are a little bit different than our light bar. If you notice, it has an adjustment and then a single hole. And that's because when you mount these light bars, there are two mounting holes on the sides of these light bars, and this will sit right like that on the light bar, and then you have the swivel up top, and then it stays stationary down there. So this will really help the light bar not move during rough travel, during being off-road, and during all of that. And really heavy-duty brackets. They don't have anything on here that really like keeps it from moving around. But with two screws, I really don't think that's going to be a problem. This plastic is obviously going to help everything compress a little bit without you starting to strip threads out from the aluminum or from whatever these end caps are made of. They look to be pretty heavy duty. They might even be a steel. Don't quote me on that. I'm not sure what that material is, but I mean, just a really good design. And the only problem with this that I'm going to have is that I need to mount mine like so, because my top light bar actually gets mounted like this, and it gets mounted horizontally that way. So I'm going to have to figure out a custom bracket or some way of manipulating these brackets so that I can actually mount them. But I mean, just incredible, incredible engineering on these. I mean, very well done to FCK Light Bars. This 30 is really heavy for a 30-inch light bar. And obviously they do give you the tool to take off these end caps and the tool to take off all this. No screen cover on the glass I can see of, or the plastic, but everything is very well sealed around all of them. You can't see any of the sealant, but you know it's there. And yeah, this is just all LEDs, obviously. Just an absolute gorgeous piece of work from FCK. So I think that's going to about do it for this unboxing. I'm going to hopefully get maybe the 30 on my car tonight. We can see, kind of show you how it goes and see what goes on with that one. But yeah, so that's my unboxing of the FCK Light Bars Curve 30 and Curve 50 chase bar, dual purpose chase bars. And I am super excited to have these on my truck. I mean, they're going to work absolutely awesome on the truck. I don't know how else to say it. Like, they are just going to be incredible to have on the truck, and I can't wait to get them on there. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment down below the video you'd like to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one.